For this week's tutorial, I am going to show you the pineapple stitch. I really think it's a fun and really easy to do, and it has such a lovely texture. I'm not sure if I can show it to you, but yeah, it really looks like pineapples, and I hope you like it. Okay, for this stitch, for this tutorial, you will need your selected yarn. I'm gonna use some, it's a cotton blend again. I can't remember the actual name, but I will try to leave a link down below. I'm using a 5.5 millimeters crochet hook with it, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle to weave in your ends. So yeah. Okay, grab your supplies and let's learn this stitch. We begin by making a slip knot. I'm gonna push this aside. We are making a slip knot. The stitch is, you just have to chain like even numbers of stitches and then add 2 for your foundation chain. So we are making the slip knot. Top of this. If you hear any weird sounds, that will be the rain outside. It started raining and I'm close to the window. Okay, so we are going to chain an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, and 21, 22, 23, 24. I think I'm gonna stop here for my stitch tutorial. Yes, I'm gonna stop here, but you can do your desired length of the chain, and then we add 2 for the foundation chain. That will be 1 and 2. Okay, so the stitch is requiring a special stitch, which is the pineapple stitch, and we can start with a pineapple stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. We yarn over, we count back 1, 2, 3 in the 4th chain from the hook. We make a pineapple stitch, which is yarn over. We insert the hook in the 4th chain, yarn over, pull through, draw a loop only through the 1st stitch. We yarn over, insert the hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 stitch, and we have to repeat the same for 4 times. Yarn over, pull just through 1, so we have 2, 4, 6, 7, and we go 1 more time, yarn over, pull through and through, yarn over and pull through only 1. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 stitches. You have 9 loops on your hook. We have to yarn over and pull through the first 8 loops like that. Yarn over and pull through those 2 remaining loops and chain 1. So that will be the pineapple stitch. Now we have to skip 1 chain and make another pineapple stitch in the next one. So we yarn over, insert our hook in the chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. We yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 1 loop. We have to do that 2 more times. Insert, pull up, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 1 more time, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 1. Now we should have 9 loops. That'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 loops on our hooks. We yarn over and pull through 8 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 remaining loops, yarn over and chain 1. So we have the first 2 pineapple stitches. If you turn it over, you can already see they're really textured. I think textured is the right word. So now we just repeat until the end of the row. We skip this one and we make a special pineapple stitch in the next one. And I'm gonna meet you at the end of the row. Okay, so I am at the end of the row and I have 2 chains left. We will skip 1 and make a double crochet in the last chain of the row. And this is what you should have for this row. It looks really nice. Yeah, so let's keep going. Now we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work. This stitch is just a 1 row repeat, which is this one that we are going to do. In this first chain 1 space, we are going to make a pineapple. Yarn over, insert your hook in the chain space, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, insert in the same chain space, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, insert, pull through one loop. So now I'm having 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 8 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and we chain 1. So that's our first pineapple. We skip this pineapple and we go directly into the next chain 1 space. We pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, and one more time, yarn over and pull through 1. We have 9 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 8, yarn over, pull through 2, and we chain 1. And now you are going to repeat the same thing in all the chain spaces that we have. I'm going to do the same and I will meet you at the end of the row. Okay, so I've got at the end of the road okay, row, sorry about that. I managed to get to the end of the row, and all we have to do here is where you have the last turning chain, you have the 3 chains that we started the row with, the previous row, and we have to do a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. You can go in the chain space, I always do that, but I want to show you how it looks with and in the 3rd chain. There. And in the chain space. All we have to do now is repeat this row. We chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We turn our work, and in the 1st chain space we make a pineapple. We yarn over, pull through, yarn over, oops, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, 4, 6, 7, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over and pull through 8, yarn over, pull through 2, and chain 1. And that's pretty much it. Yarn over, we go in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, insert, pull through and pull through 1. There you go. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stitches, 9 loops. We yarn over, pull through 8 of them. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and chain 1, and like that we are keep repeating until the desired length, desired width, however you like it. I really think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Do you like textured stitches? They really look nice. Yeah. I'm gonna make a couple of more rows and I'm gonna show you how it looks like a small little sample. Okay. Meet you in a minute. So I made a couple of more rows just to show you how it looks like. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed I hope you really enjoyed the stitch. You can hear my son in the background, sorry about that. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye.